Hello guys, so today we are solving find the prefix common array of two arrays. So you're given two zero indexed integer permutation a and b of length n. Permutation means we have like if size length n, okay, then we have the numbers starting from starting from 1 till n exactly once, okay. For example, here n equal to, this is 4 size, then 1 2 3 4, right? All these numbers would be there in both the array, but they would be random basically. Somewhere some integer is somewhere, some integer is somewhere. This is way we are given the two integer array. Okay, so we have to find a prefix common array of a and b such that ci is equal to the count of numbers that are presented before the index I in both a and b. So what does it mean is, let's take one example for a better understanding. So for example, these are our array a and b, okay. Now we have to find the its common prefix. So see here, we are starting from here, let's say. So it is 1 here, right? So this is 1 and this is 3. So none of them is repeated, right? So what we will do is we will put here 0. Okay. Now we'll come to this point, second point. So see here, this is 1, but 1 is already appeared here, right? And this is 3 and 3 also appeared here in this array B. That means two integers are already appeared at till the location if we look at both of them. So here we will put 2, right? Now we're coming to this point. So see here, if we look at here, so far what has appeared? 2 has appeared including this guy, right? So at this location 3 1 2 and 3 1 2, both of them are appeared. If we go to here, all three of them are appeared. So we will put here 3. Now we'll come to this guy, the very last one. This is 4 and here also 4. So if we look at here, all of them are appeared. So here it would be 4. So this is what we have to do. This would be our common prefix array answer. So now the thing is like how to do that. Okay, so we will, as in the given question it is also mentioned, you can see here that if you go to the downwards, see here, n length it only from 1 till 50 including 1 and 50. So we have like limited number, so we can do frequency array we can use here. So we'll tell you what is the approaches. So let me remove these things, these are of no use for us. Now what we will do in an approach, we will create two array of size 51. Why 51? Because we want to get the frequency of all the numbers starting from 1 till 50. And now because array started from 0, so that is why I want to take it start 51 size. Okay, so for example, let's say we are calling it f1 for the frequency of the first array, okay, and f2 for the frequency of array second, which is b array. Okay, so let's say we have this, and these are of size only 21, not more, 51, not more than that. Okay, so why 51? As I told you, we want to keep track of starting from 1 till 51. Okay, so it would be like this. Let me create this as well. So these would be our two array. Okay, so suppose this is our 0, here also it is 0, then we have 1, like that we have the entire till 50. Okay, so it would be like this because we might have up to 50 numbers, right? So then we will now proceed it. So what we will do is we will start from very first. Okay, initially everything is 0, right? Nothing more than that. So we will start from array A. Okay, like this. So see here, we are coming at here. So this 1 is coming very first time, right? We will check, is there already 1 occurred in F2? No, everything is 0. So what we will do in F1, we will increase the frequency by 1. So at 1, so at 1 it is here. So we will increase the frequency by 1. So it will become now 1. Okay. So then we will coming to the second location. We are starting from here, right? Then we are coming at 3. Okay. So see here, whenever we are traversing with I. Okay. So I equal to 0 we started. So at 0 what it is there? At 0 it is 1 at here. So we increased at 1. And we first of all we checked in F2 that 1 is appeared. No, 1 is not yet appeared. So what is appeared in second array? It is 3 only. So at 3 we will increase by 1, right? So we are done by I equal to 0. We are done for these two y. Now we are coming to this pair. Okay, so we will come to this pair and see. So far we would have one more variable called cur. Okay, this would be cur. Cur initially was 0. Okay, so when we are coming at 1, when we started at 1, we checked it whether it is existing in F2. No, everything is 0, right? 0, 1, 2, 3. So we came here to check. So this is 0, that means it hasn't appeared. So cur value would be still 0. So we will put here 0. Okay, now we are coming to this pair. So this is 3. We will check in second that 3 is appeared. Yes, it is appeared because it is 1. So if it is appeared, we will increase cur by 1. Okay, but now we are at here, right? For this guy, we will check, has it appeared in F1? Yes, this is also appeared 1. So cur will increase by 1 also. So how much it become? At the second iteration, 1 plus 1, it became 2. So in answer, what we will put? Let's say this is our answer variable. So initially cur was 0 at first iteration, it is 0. And at second iteration it became 2. So we will put here 2. Okay, this should be very clear so far. Now we are coming to this pair. We are coming to this pair. So see here, cur is currently 2, correct? Cur is currently 2, but we are coming at this pair. So we will check that, hey, 2 is appeared here. No, 2 is not yet appeared here. No problem. Then we will check for this pair. So when we checked here, 2 is appeared here, it was not available here. But in this itself, we will increase because in F1 it is anyway appeared in A. Now we are coming to this guy. So we will check here that, hey, 2 is appeared. Yes, 2 is appeared in F1. Then what we will do? We will increase the frequency by 1. So what will be frequency? It will become 2 plus 1, which is 3. So we will put it here 3. And we will add this guy. 2 is already now appeared here also. So we will increase it by 1. Okay. Now we are coming to this guy here. Okay. So see here, whenever we are, see, this one is to, first one is to anchor here to frequency put here. And the second one is this guy F2, where we have to put the frequency of all of them. Okay, so now we are coming at 4. So we will check it that, hey, 4 is appeared in F2. No, it is not appeared. So this value cur is still 3 only. Now we will check here. So anyway, when we checked here, it is not appeared, but anyway, this has appeared in first. So we will increase by 1. Okay. Now we are coming to this guy 4. We will check it in F1. So is it appeared? Yes, it is appeared. That means if it is appeared, we will increase the cur by 1 also. So it would become now 4. Okay. And this frequency in A we will increase. So this 4 now. So answer is 4. Now we are done. So 0, 2, 3, 4. This should be our answer. This is very simple approach. And see here, this is a constant space only, because in the 51 size array we would be manage everything. Doesn't matter what would be the size of this thing, because the value is given for the 50 size. Okay. So let me show you my corresponding code for it. So see here, you can see, first of all, we are getting the length of it. I created one answer array, and these are our two F1 and F2. This is the one which we are using here. These one. Okay. Now this is our cur variable which we started initially 0. Now see here. First of all, we are traversing through I equal to 0 till n. So see here, if F2AI is greater than 0, we are checking in F2 first. Okay. And then increasing. If it is greater than 0, then we are increasing it. Okay. Then we are putting this A, because anyway it appeared in A, right? So we are then increasing it in F1A++, the way which we were doing here. Whoever is appeared here, we first check whether it is existing in F2 or not. But anyway, we are putting its frequency in F1 only, and vice versa for B also. Okay. So see here, then we are checking for F1BI. Okay, that, hey, is it already occurred in F1 for B? If it is occurred, then we are increasing cur++. And finally, we are increasing the frequency in F2, because this is anchoring for array B. Okay, and then we are putting the answer I for the cur variable, whatever the current cur variable, and we are returning this answer. So we are doing this in single pass only. So let me try to run this code. Yes, let me submit it. Okay, so yes, it is 100% faster. So thank you for watching this video, and if you guys have any concern, please make a comment over there. Thank you.